India is all set to open up its vaccination drive for all those above the age of 18. But as the country now readies to undertake this mammoth task, a price war has broken out. This comes after Serum Institute of India, Adar Poonawalla, told India today that he will be selling his jabs for 400 rupees per dose to the states, while the same shot will cost the centre 150 rupees. The opposition is now up in arms, calling the Modi government's vaccine policy as discriminatory.
Come May 1 and India will open vaccination for all above 18 years of age. Many believe that scaling up vaccination is the only way to combat the COVID surge. But the big sticking point is the pricing.
We have chosen not to make, or take advantage of the situation by charging a 1,000 rupee price, which is what I originally hoped I would do. That is something we could look at after 6 months or 7 months when the pandemic is sort of easing down, when we sell in the private market. We substantially bring it down, from 1,000 rupees to 400 rupees for state governments, and as you rightly said, 600 rupees for private hospitals.
Serum Institute's Covishield will be sold to state governments at rupees 400 per dose and to private hospitals for rupees 600 per jab. The Government of India, however, will continue to procure Covishield at rupees 150 per dose. With 50% of Covishield vaccines now being available to the states to buy, the price has triggered a big political fight. Mamata Banerjee has asked why can't there be one price for the vaccine.
আজকে তুমি কোভিডের ভ্যাকসিন লুকিয়ে রেখেছিলে আর আমাদের কিনতে দাওনি আমাদের বলে দিয়েছিল কোন স্টেট পারবে না সেন্ট্রালে পারমিশন ছাড়া তাই আজকে ফেসটা করতে হয়েছে এই কোভিডটা নরেন্দ্র মোদির অবদান এবং তাই আজকে মানুষ মারা যাচ্ছে
Congress President Sonia Gandhi too has protested. She's written a letter to the Prime Minister calling the new vaccine policy discriminatory. DMK Chief MK Stalin and Working President of TRS KTR have also questioned the difference in the pricing. Several states including Uttar Pradesh, Assam, Madhya Pradesh, Bihar, Kerala, Chhattisgarh and Sikkim have already announced free vaccine for all adults. Will this create a divide among the rich states and the poorer ones? Also, will this now lead to vaccine regionalism?
Initially, for the first month or two, the bulk of the supplies will have to go to Maharashtra because that is the request put in, and that is also the need of the hour. So as I said, we'll slowly fan that out, and in the next month or 2 months, you'll see even more doses going out to other states. And we're not saying we're going to give 0 doses to the other states. I'm just saying there's going to be having to be a little priority.
Medical experts say that ramping up vaccination is the only way to bring down infections in India that currently have broken all global records. As India gets ready to roll out phase 3 of vaccination drive, will things change for the better or for worse? Bureau Report, India Today.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.